back to Lovebrittnyj. If this is your first time coming to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're not, welcome back. But before we get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified, and also check out my social media. It's gonna be right there in the corner. Now let's get into the video. So as you can tell by the title, I'll be giving you a review on the investment app called SoFi. SoFi is basically like a beginner-friendly investment app where you can pick different stocks and different stocks that you can pick from in order for you to invest in. Now you can start with little as $1 when you do start investing with SoFi. And for me, I've been using this app for at least 3 months because I started in March and it's June now, so I've been using it for 3 to 4 months, and actually I've seen some growth, whether it be from the market gains that I have made or the dividends that I've been getting. Now granted, when I first invested into SoFi, the stock market was really down because of the pandemic. So as the stock market has started to grow, I'm able to see a difference in when I started before to now. Like I said, you can start with $1, but I decided to do $50 for every 2 weeks. So on the 1st and the 15th, I put in $50, and now I'm up to about $200. And the way Sofi works is that I always say Sofi, my bad, you guys. SoFi works is you can buy stock from different types of companies like Disney, Amazon, now I don't want to say Google. So like Disney, Amazon, Tesla, Apple, you buy individual stocks from those different companies, and you can either buy it dollar value at $1 value, or you can buy it share value. So for some of my stocks, I do have some that are from like shares of a company, and then others I just buy $1 value, because sometimes they only sell it at a market price when you're trying to do $1 value, and it's like $1,000, and I don't have $1,000 just laying around to give them in the stock market, so I would do it in a share. So I'd probably buy 1 share of it, or a certain amount of money, 1 share of it, or a certain part of a share for each company, if that makes sense. So I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys about SoFi, because it's really important that we start investing sooner than later, because I'm all about financial wealth and finding ways that I can help myself in the long run as I get older. Because I don't know about y'all, but I'm trying to graduate. I'm trying to graduate too, but I'm trying to retire at a younger age than usual, and also live life to the fullest. So that's the reason why I decided to start investing. I'm actually going to put in the video right now, I'm going to put a screen recording of my profile right now. How does it look? Like I said, I do have $200 already invested. My only thing with the app itself, you are not allowed to take out any of the money that you have that you already invest in. But like, say for instance, you deposit like $50, and now you need that $50 back. You can get that $50 back, but you cannot go into the money that you already have invested in, because you have that money. Like the money that you've invested is the money that is in the stock market. So the only way you'll be able to get that money back if you either sell that stock that you have already, or buy some more. So the only way you'll be able to, like I said, the only way you'll be able to get your money back for the money that you already invested is either you sell your stock that you already have, or you have to, take money. So you have to take money away from the money that you have deposited already. So the money that you deposit already is called buying power. So that's the money that you can withdraw from, and you use that money that you have put into the buying power money. The buying power money is the money that you have deposited into your account, but you haven't yet used it yet in order for you to buy stocks. So that money you can either deposit it out of, or you use that money to buy more stocks in different companies. So that's what I've been doing. Like I said, I have stocks in Tesla, Amazon, Apple, and GE and stuff like that. So I really enjoy this app because it gives me an opportunity to do stocks, to actually find stocks that I was interested in before I opened this account with them, because I did some research on my own about investing, but I feel like this gives me more time to do more stuff instead of just watching the stocks and markets all the time every day. I get updates frequently with the app, so that I know what my where my stocks is, where my stocks are, whether it be going down or up. It gives you a daily I'm going to actually put a picture in the description, put a picture in the video where it shows you exactly if the stock is going down or up. It shows you that every single day, so you can know when, you know, how is it going. And then you get an option to either buy more stocks of that market, or you can sell your stock to someone else if you wanted to, or sell it back to the company instead of keeping it if you think it's going to be going down instead of increasing up. So like I said, that's a part of the account. And then also you can, like, they show you daily how much money, how much market gains you have increased since you've started the app, started investing with the app. And then also your dividends. Now my dividends are not that much as of now because I just started, and plus I'm just getting into it as well, so I had to do the best I could when it comes to making sure that I wanted to get a little piece of every little stock that I thought of that I wanted to be a part of. So that's the reason why I probably don't have that much market gains or stock dividends yet, but I'm gonna keep it rolling. I'm gonna keep into staying into the app and making sure that I'm investing and finding more opportunities to invest in different stocks. Now, with that being said, I love this app as well because it gives you an update on your credit scores too. You can link your credit score to the app, and it tells you every single day or every week if your credit score is up or down. And recently I just got a notification that my credit score went up a little bit more today, so I was happy about that. So if you are interested in like well, you get more involved. Now they do have an automated part to the investment app, but I only do self-interactive with the app itself. So I pick the stocks that I want to be a part of, I buy the stocks that I want to invest in, and everything else. So with that part, if you are interested in like, well, I want to say this, I encourage you to start investing soon. If you are thinking about investing, I think this is a good app to use if you're interested in it, because it's easy to do, it's easy to set up, and also you can open up more than an investment account with this app, as well as you can link your credit cards, your bank accounts to everything, so you can have everything on one app, and you can see exactly how your money has, your financial well-being is being set up. So like I said, I encourage you, if you're interested in starting to invest now, this is definitely a good app to start with. But like I said, investing in anything, invest in yourself. If you want to start investing in yourself, you want to start a business, like, go for it. Like, I'm all about bettering my future, and I want everyone that's on my social media, like on my social media, on my YouTube channel, to start bettering ourselves, okay? Like, if you want to start investing now, I encourage you to start investing right now. But I definitely will keep you guys updated on how my account is going. But I just, like I said, I only been doing it for 4 months so far, and I have gotten a good turnout rate for now on my investments so far. And like I said, I have over about 10 accounts that I'm already have a stock or share in. So there you go. I just want to give you a quick review on this app. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a credit repair person, but I just want to share this with you guys because I'm doing it, and I feel like everybody should do it, because I feel like if I don't want to say I feel like everybody should do it, but if you want to do it for yourself and you feel like this is the time to start investing, I encourage you to do so, because hey, it's financial wealth. That's what we're trying to build. We're trying to build financial wealth so we can prosper and not prosper. That's not even a word, but you get what I'm saying. So we can prosper and be a better us in the future and build for the future and not just today. So if you enjoyed this video, and also if you have used this app or if you know about this app, tell me about it in a comment. Like, comment down below. I love to hear what you have to say about this app. Do you think it's a good investment? app, or what was your experience with it? If you have used this app before, let me know in the comments, okay? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified. I mean, like, hit the bell, because it's right there in the corner. And if you don't hit the bell, you won't know when I drop another video. And it helps me out a lot because I'm road to 500 subscribers. So if you want to help me out, come on now, help a girl out. So so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thanks for watching, and always remember to love yourself and be yourself, and I will see you on the next video.